Right here, this is what's in our mobile UniFi demo kit. These are all the things that come out of the demo kit that the customer is able to see. We have a G6 dome camera, 4 of the G6 instance, and a G3 instant. I'll put these around the office, kind of close to the conference room, but pointing places the customer doesn't even know where they are. And how we power them is if they're near a power plug, we can just use a regular a power plug there. We can also just use a battery bank if I want to stick someone in a corner and have that work, or using a device like this that the customers really like because we can put in PoE on this side and then it kicks out the USB needed to run the cameras. We also have an intercom that shows, so when someone presses the button on the Reader Pro, it shows up here. You can answer the call there, hear and talk between the two, press the unlock button, and the door will unlock. In addition, we have, this is a regular reader. We just use the hand wave as a request to exit, and also just have some fobs here that we're able to test to let the customer know that they work. Here are all the things that stay in the demo kit that make everything work. If we can't plug in the router to their internet, I'll just use this to either hotspot off my phone or off their public Wi-Fi so that we can get internet connection to the router. We have an AI key that people like to see the real-time detections and be able to do searches, smart searches on the footage. We have a switch here. This is actually just the power supply. It's almost as big as the switch, but this provides 8 ports of PoE++ power, and it's got a 210 watt power supply. This speaker goes off whenever the G3 instance sees any motion. So we just point the G3 at the wall, and then as soon as we want to demo this, we point it to them and they make a little motion and the speaker will go off. It does have a little light. This lights up this little strip here, but we keep this in the case because nobody really wants to see the speaker. We have the U7 light that just powers everything, all the instance to my laptop that lets me connect. This is a Cloud Gateway Max that has a 2 terabyte M.2 SSD there. And this has UniFi, this has access, and this is the router for the kit. This is a door hub, and what we've got here is a lock that makes a loud noise when it's engaged and disengaged, just to give the customer good feedback that the lock has been activated. If you're in Honolulu or the Salt Lake City area, go ahead and reach out. We can show you this in person, give you a demo, see all the great things.